Welcome back to my channel of behind the scenes of cooking in the food truck. Yes sir. So today we are doing a Philly cheesesteak and fries. Yep. What am I doing? I don't know. Okay, you got bread. Slap it on the grill. Put in some butter. Alright, now we're about to chop it up. Chop. Put the cover a bit over. Yes, sir. Slap some onions on there. We're gonna have onions with that Philly cheesesteak, right? Alright. Yeah, keep it nice and tidy. Fold it up. There we go. Alright, now we're gonna make sure to slice it up, slicing and dicing. Alright. Mix. Chop, mix, chop, mix. Close around. A little bit more butter on the side. Slap it on there. Bam. I don't know why I put the cover, just dome lid on the bread, but I mean, I guess I wasn't finished chopping it up. I guess chop. Make sure all the meat is cooked evenly. Chop. Slap that cheese, pepper jack cheese on there. Put the dome cover on it. Slap some mayo on that bread. Alright. Oh, they're already gonna get in the plate ready. There we go. Oh, a piece of bacon up in here. Now fries. Make sure you get a new glove on there. Switch it up. Alright. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Alright, put that bread on that plate and slap that meat on that bread. It looks cheesy. Your third. Okay. And there you have it, folks. See you on the next one. Oh, still 20 seconds left. Put the fries on there. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'm still cleaning the grill. Clean. Alright, now I'll see you in the next one.